Fatima wanted to go shopping at Juvia's place because she had heard that there was going to be a sale. And I happened to come across a code that saved us a few coins. So let's take a look. And Fatima is wearing her garden hat because there is a garden theme to what we purchased. First up in the shade Aqua is a liquid eyeliner. This is the shade, and I know that I will not use it, so this will make a nice gift for someone down the road. I know that you can use eyeliners as eyeshadow, yet I have such a collection that we're just going to say this is going to make a nice gift. It's a nice shade. I'm not angry with the shade. It's just I know I won't use it because I really don't use eyeliners. Next is a lip gloss in the shade Flower Girl. And I am definitely excited about the sparkle on this one. I know that it won't be as intense in color, that it will just be the shimmer. But still, I am excited about a sparkly lip gloss. The palette is called Garden of Juvias, and that's why I wanted to wear my fun hat. There's not a mirror, but that's okay. These are the fun, wonderful shades that I am in love with. I do like me some good pinks and purples, and I will say the yellows and the greens are becoming intriguing. Oh, I like the pinks and the purples, I think. I need a brush. I want to do swatches. Here we go with the swatches from Garden of Juvias. Nice job in the swatching department, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I love shopping. And one of those shades really surprised me. Yes, it surprised me too. Hold on to this. This shade right here called Blooming, I would have bet the farm that was going to be purple. It wasn't. It came out pink. Did anyone else out there get this box? Let us know, and let us know what you thought of what we got. I'm pleased with everything. I love all those colors. So just on a quick nitty-gritty, it was an $18 box. I had a code to save 30%. So that brought it down to $12 and change. We did have to pay for shipping. So basically, the code saved us the shipping cost, which is fine. And so all in after taxes, can't get away from taxes, we were at $19.20, which I think for 3 items, if you average it out, 3 items at $18 is $6 per item. That's great because on their website, the gloss is $14, the colored eyeliner is $15, and the palette is $25. So we got a very good deal. Yes, I would say that we did. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. We have fun adventures over here. Yes, please like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, the whole routine. You know how to do it. So get it done. And check out something popping up on the screen, and we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. By the way, you like my hat?